If you are paying for Photoshop, Microsoft Office, Grammarly Premium, or any design software right now, stop. Because in this video, I am going to show you 5 AI tools that do everything those expensive apps do. And most of them are completely free. I have personally tested all of these and I replaced over 40,000 worth of software subscription with them. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back. Or if you are new here, I am Prince, and on this channel, I cover AI tools that actually save you money and time. Make sure you subscribe because I post new AI tools tutorials every week. Alright, let's jump into the 5 tools. The first tool is Canva, and specifically Canva AI feature. Now, you have probably heard of Canva, but most people don't know about the AI magic it has built in. You can generate images, remove backgrounds instantly, resize design for any platform automatically, and even generate entire presentations from a text prompt. Adobe Photoshop costs around 734 rupees per month. Canva Pro is 499 rupees per month. And honestly, for most creator and small business owner, Canva does everything you need. I'll link Canva Pro in the description below if you want to try it. Tool number 2 is Notion AI. Now, Notion is already a powerful free tool for notes, tasks, and databases. But with Notion AI added on, it becomes something completely different. You can ask it to summarize a long document, write a project brief, create a content calendar, or even draft emails. All inside Notion. Microsoft Office 365 costs around 5,299 rupees per year. Notion free plan handles 80% of that what most people use Office for. And the AI add-on is just $10 per month. Link is in the description and it's genuinely worth it. Tool number 3, and you have probably heard of this, ChatGPT. But most people are using it wrong. They ask it one question and move on. The real power is using it as a thinking partner. I use it to write scripts for my videos, plan my content calendar, draft emails, research topics, write captions for Instagram, basically anything that involves writing or planning. The free version is genuinely powerful. If you want ChatGPT 4.0 and faster responses, ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month. Compared to hiring a copywriter or consultant, it's basically free. Tool number 4 is one most people haven't heard of yet, ElevenLabs. This is an AI voice generator and it is genuinely scary good. You can clone your own voice, create voiceover in any language, or pick from hundreds of AI voices that sound completely human. If you are making faceless YouTube videos, this is a tool you need. Professional voiceover artist charges 5,000 to 30,000 per project. 11 labs start completely free and paid plans start at around $5 per month. I leave my affiliated link in description. It's one of my most used tools.
Here you generate AI voice which sound more realistic and also select the voice style based on their profession.
And the last tool is Gamma. If you ever spend hours making the PowerPoint presentation and thought there has to be a better way, there is. You type a prompt into Gamma, like create a presentation about 5 AI tools for beginners, and within 30 seconds, it's generate a beautiful complete presentation with images, layout, and content. It's honestly one of the most impressive tools I have used. It's free to start, and I'll link it below so you can try it yourself. So that's 5 AI tools. Canva AI, Notion AI, ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Gamma. All the links are in the description below. And I always make sure to only link tools I actually use. If this video saved you some money or gave you something useful, the best way to support this channel is to like this video and subscribe. It genuinely helps more people to find this content. I'm going to be posting new AI tools tutorials every week. So if you want to stay updated, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.